Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile with an Xbox One controller. First, it's crucial to know that only specific Xbox One wireless controllers are supported. You'll need a controller that features Bluetooth connectivity. Many older models lack this, so double-check your controller's specifications. This ensures a seamless and direct connection to your mobile device, allowing you to enjoy the game with enhanced precision and comfort. Now, let's get your controller ready for pairing. Begin by simply pressing the central Xbox button to power on your controller. Next, locate the small, circular pair button, usually found near the top of the controller, between the bumpers. Press and hold this button for about 3 seconds. You'll notice the Xbox button starts flashing quickly, signaling that your controller is now in discoverable pairing mode, ready to connect. With your controller in pairing mode, grab your mobile device. Navigate to its settings menu and then tap on the Bluetooth option. You should see Xbox Wireless Controller appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it to initiate the connection. Once successfully paired, the Xbox button on your controller will stop flashing and remain solidly lit, indicating a stable and active connection to your phone or tablet. Finally, it's time to jump into the action. Launch Call of Duty Mobile on your device. The game is designed to automatically detect a connected controller, so you should be ready to play almost immediately. For the best experience, head into the game's settings. Here, you can fine-tune your sensitivity, customize button layouts, and make other adjustments to perfectly suit your playstyle, giving you a competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.